What's poppin', yo? Welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, Joey Sparks. That's Two E's No Why. You heard me, that's Two E's No Why. And in this here video, we are going to be doing another unboxing. You guessed it, more t-shirts for you. You heard? You got to remember, my plug is fire, okay? So anyways, these videos don't need to be too long, but if you kind of like some of the nostalgia I like, and it's a good way for me to express myself to you, because it's how I express myself through t-shirts, right? Like Wookiee, Wu-Tang, Wookiee. Like I like Wu-Tang and Star Wars, like to the death of me, both of them. So like it's just like a little window into who I am. So let's not waste any more time. Oh, I saw this. I had to have it. It was a must. When you, and it's not even in my favorite color. Look, little baby blue on them. You know what my dark side colors are, right? Nope, not for this one. For this one, it touched two. Pause. It it gave me some nostalgia feels in a couple different areas. Pause. Um, uh, one of them is like a super love of mine, and another one was like an icon, not like an icon to look up to or an idol, but like just, like a silhouette can be like an icon, and you could just remember that icon or whatever it is. And to me, when I was younger, it was like a symbol of a certain person. I got older and kind of understood what kind of stereotypes they're pushing, but I respect it now that I'm older, and I still like it, right? And once again, I love mashup t-shirts, man. You take something I love over here, and you take something I love over here, and you figure out how to put them together, and I'm there. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you... I'm getting good at this, dog. The pieces of resistance. Bruh. 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 A Mr. T Stormtrooper. A Mr. T Stormtrooper, my man. Come on, man. Look at that. Look, it's a thing of beauty. So it got Mr. Chi chains. It's got his little feather earring right there. It's got his mohawk and his beard painted onto the Stormtrooper helmet outline. You talking about Star Wars and an iconic brother from the 80s? Come on. Mr. T, dog. I had the cereal. I had the action figure. Stop playing me. BA, I think was his name in the show, right? The 18. I can't wait. Baby Blue, I'm waiting for July sneaker to come out for this one. So depending on when this drops, you tell me whether we pass the time and I should go get them shoes so I can rock this or not. But you can put some orange with it, quick and easy and simple, without no problem. In my opinion. Damn, bruh. That new shirt smell, man. You can put some orange with it, but I don't suggest it. I say just rock that baby blue together. Get a shoe like that with it or something like that. Some sort of UNC color something. Gonna be crucial. All right. Anyways, yo, thanks for stopping by for this another t-shirt unboxing. Once again, my t-shirt plug is fire. I love mesh tees, and if you enjoy them too, please consider hitting the subscribe button, because this is like one of the type of reaction videos I do, which is me unboxing a t-shirt that I bought. I saw it online, and then I get it in hand, and I get to relive some of the memories that I bought it off of with y'all. All right. Anyways, thank you for your support. Like, share, subscribe, comment, holla at me. All right, man. Peace.